Learning with Maliha presents Camping Essentials. Camping is a great way to get outside with family and friends, or even by yourself. You can go camping in national parks, at private campgrounds, in the backcountry, or even in your backyard. Spending time outside in a different environment is a great way to reset both physically and emotionally. Here are some camping tips for you. Choose the best camping gear. Look into the weather at your campground. Pick the best campsite, choosing a larger tent than you need. Next comes, what do you need for camping? Most campsites include a picnic table, a place to park your car, and a spot to pitch your tent. Many also have shared bathrooms and running water. Part of the joy of camping is needing very little gear to exist outside. But it's also nice to have a comfortable, convenient, and homey campsite. Hello, little campers. These are important items for your camping essential checklist. Campsite basic item may include tent, sleeping bag, sleeping pads, camping pillow, headlamps or flashlights, camping chairs, camp table, or lanterns. You may need some optional items like sunshade hammock, cots, sleeping bag liners, firewood source near campsite, camp rugs, tablecloth, cloth lines with clip, etc. You also need some tools and repair items like multi-tools set, duct tape, extra cord, tent pole repair sleeve, mallet, hammer, saw, etc. Many campgrounds have drinkable water. If not, bring your own or be prepared to treat water if there is a water source. You must bring a stove and fuel, cooking pots, frying pans, eating and cooking utensils, sharp knives, bottle openers, plates, bowls, etc. Of course, you will need mugs and cups for coffee or tea, cutting boards, cooler, ice, water bottles, camp sink, biodegradable soap, trash cans, dish towel, scrubbers. And if you are a barbecue lover, you must need camp grill or fuel, grill racks, charcoal, some griddle or Dutch oven, marshmallow, hot dog roasting forks, small food storage containers, large water jugs, or clear plastic bins to store kitchen gear. Some campsite extras may include solar or portable power, binoculars, navigation tools, field guides, star charts, book, notebook, pen, pencil, music player if you like music, games and toys, dry bags or plastic bins to store the items. For clothing and footwear, you may need moisture-wicking underwears and t-shirts, quick-drying pants or shorts, long-sleeve shirts, lightweight fleece or jacket, boots or shoes suited to the terrain, socks, sleepwear. You might need some additional items for rainy or cold weather like rain jackets, long underwear, warm insulated jackets or vest, fleece pants, gloves or mittens or warm hats. If you like to stay in the water or swim, you need swimsuits, water sandals, in-camp sandals or booties and bandanas. You should bring some health and hygiene product with you in camping like toilet paper, hand sanitizer, toothbrush and toothpaste, toiletry kits, quick dry towels, prescription medicine, first aid kit. Of course, you need some sun and bug protection products like sunscreen, sunglasses, sun hat, lip balm, insect repellents, and devices. Here comes the most exciting part of the camping, that is camping snacks. Allow your kids to help contribute to menu planning so they get excited about the trip. Ask them what they would like to eat and what treats they want. Pack foods you know they will like. Here are some ideas. Perfect grab and go treat. These French toast sticks are a great kid-friendly breakfast idea to try out on your family camping trip. You may try a fry egg with crispy toast. You may try out potato boats, brown bears, pie iron pizza, grilled cheese, spider hot dogs, s'mores. Now try out some veggies, biryani, shish kebab, roasted sweet corns and pasta. And of course, roasting marshmallow is the best part of camping. Make your camping trip memorable by making shadow puppets and telling scary stories to the kids. Main part is having fun and adventure with your family. Trivia time. How much did you learn from this video? Try to name some of the items by your own and check how many do you know. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to Learning with Maliha.